Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're looking at carbon cleaning from a Toyota hybrid car. So what does this carbon cleaning does? The system is filled with a special gas. I believe it to be hydrogen something, and it's fed into the air intake pipe, and by fitting this fluids into the intake pipe, the gas actually, it allows the engine temperature to increase, to double, and by doing that it burns off all the carbon from the pistons and the valves, and overall it improves the efficiency of the engine and also reduces the noise, especially for diesel engine cars. If you have a diesel engine car which is making noise, you may consider using this one. It's called carbon cleaning. Thank you.